Breaking news here on The Day Trader. Photronics. Oh, we just received a small super chat, just as I mentioned that live on the show. We always film make our videos during a live show. People selling off. In fact, that was perfect timing from one of our investors here for Photronics. Ticker symbol, can't get it out today. PLAB. I'm going to tell you why I think you should buy this stock right now. But before I do, smash the like button if you like the video, because you know what? If you like the video, it's been proven. If you like the video, I always make more money. We always make more money. The stocks always go up. Let's have a look at PLAB Photronics today and why I think this could be worth an investment. This is my overall portfolio right now. While you're watching this, make sure that you click the subscribe button. That's coming up above my head. There you go. And ring the bell. We go live all the time. Right now, we're pretty flat. The bear market rally, because we are in a bear market. The bear market rally is pretty much over. Some of my stocks are doing pretty well. Virgin Galactic, by the way, is probably doing the best. But if we go over now to Photronics, I think right now at this point it's worth a possible trade, and in fact I might do it live now on the show. Here we go. Let's go to Photronics right now, and I'm just going to set a marker share. I'm going to set a marker share there by why I think that this could be worth. There we go. Review. I'm going to hold it there a second. I'm only going to buy a small amount. I'm waiting for it, and I'm going to tell you now why I think this could be worth. Yeah, the bear market is still here. We're getting live comments from everybody now. I think this is why I think Photronics could be worth a buy-in. So I'm just waiting now. Just a second. I'm only going to buy 10 to mark as what I call a marker share at this stage. Get ready. There we go. Buy. Done. I just marked down 10 shares of Photronics. There we go. 17.59 is my average. I'll come back and look at that in a minute. But why I think that this stock is worth looking at is for this reason. If I go over to, first of all, the overall portfolio of what all my stocks are doing, we're in a bear market, and the bear market rally is over. But look at this. If we look at Photronics closer, I'll take a closer look at it if I get into this screen here. Last night was its earnings. If we scroll down and we look at it, a lot of companies right now that are doing well aren't making any money. This company, however, is making money, and it is consistently grown. It's never had one earnings where it's gone backwards. This earnings wasn't possibly as the same growth that we've had before, but nevertheless moving in the right direction. And it still beat expectations. And I think we are being a little pessimistic on this stock. I think we're beating it up a little bit too much. It expected to make 50 cents a share, made 51. Now, I know that isn't very exciting. But, however, it is making money. It did beat earnings. It just wasn't perhaps as good as perhaps some people might hope. But Photronics, it's certainly an industry we should all be involved in. Photronics manufactures photomasks with high-precision photographic quartz or glass plates containing microscopic images of electronic circuits. Anything to do with this sector is the future, right? It manufactures semiconductors and flat panel displays and is used as masters to transfer circuit patterns onto semiconductor wafers and FPD substrates. All this stuff is the future. And this company has consistently made money. And we know that the government, the US government, are putting money into the chips industry. So all of this stuff is good. I think this is an overreaction, and I think this is the opportunity for me to buy this morning. Let's carry on reading it. The company manufacturing facilities, which are located in Taiwan, Korea, the United States and Europe. Photronics was founded by Constantine S. Macricostas in 1969. I like the fact it's been around for a while, and it's headquartered in Brookfield, CT. There we go. Let's have a look at the stats for the company. It's opened at 2121. It's got an average volume of 1.12. Volume is up today. Volume is up because it's selling. I think this could be a time to add to a position. I do. The low is 1730. The 52-week low is 1218. So it's been lower. There's no dividend with this stock. What about the news? Have we got any news that we can look into? Photronics shares fall on dim Q4 forecast. Remember, it's not about the earnings, it's about what they're projecting going forward. So the projections may have not looked very promising last night. 29% revenue growth in Q3. That is still respectable. That is still respectable. I don't see a major problem with this. I think this is overselling. I think there's an opportunity here to buy. I don't know what you think, but I've just picked up some. We are losing a bit this morning. The overall markets, though, if we go back to my main portfolio, are down this morning. This is my main portfolio. It's losing this morning. We are in a bear market. We are in a time of inflation, but the chip industry is what you want to be in. And I think a chip company that is actually making money like Photronics is, earnings is okay. It's moving in the right direction. I think this today is gold. We shouldn't be ignoring this, but I think there's a lot of negativity. I see it in Virgin Galactic all the time, a stock I absolutely love, but there you go. So I hope you've smashed the like button, because when you smash the like button, always happens, the stocks go up. I don't know why it is. It just does. So there you go. What do you think? Are you in Photronics? Is this one for you? I've just bought a small position. I'm down 0.49. And what I do is I set a marker and then I watch it and then I buy it every sort of 3 or 4% at first until we reach a bottom, and then I kind of leave it and watch where it goes. There we go. We're getting some comments live in here. What do you think about this stock? I can bring your comments up on the screen if you want to share your comments, everybody. Let's have a look. Have we got anybody that wants to share a comment on it this morning? Iron Condor saying, yeah, that's different from a rival. Very, very different. That's good. There we go. So this was recorded during a live show. If you click up here, that'll take you to the live shows. We're live nearly all the time on the Day Trader, Monday to Friday, nearly 10 hours a day, it seems. But Photronics, are you in? I've just set down a small marker share, and you might watch me do it now, actually. We're down 20% today. When we get days like this, this often presents an opportunity. So I'm down 1.35. We're watching it free fall at the moment. I might set another. Let me go back to my trading screen. I might actually put another buy in here. Let's have a quick look. I might put another buy in down 1.4. Because if you're going to be into a stock, it's got to be the right balance for my portfolio. I'm seeing now that the general market is coming up. If we look over here, you'll see the general market is coming up. We've had our morning sell-off. We're starting to improve. I do predict a green day today, and we are green. 1.52. I'm going to add another 10. Now I'm down 1.5%. Review. Watch it and just see if we get one more turn down. I will hold. If I see the smallest little blip up, let's go back to my trading screen so you can see me doing this live. This is a new position we've just entered this morning. 1729. Are we about to go up again? Slowing down. My average is 1759. 1730, 1728. Okay, it's falling again. As soon as we get it starts to hold, I will grab another 1726. Still falling. I'm down nearly 2%. There we go. 7025. Once I reach 1721, but now I'm at a 2 1/4. Okay, momentum is picking up, so we're going to wait. We're going to wait. We're watching it closely, and when momentum slows down, we could go over to a chart for this, but I'm not a chart reader. I do understand charts and I use them off air, but I don't tend to trade with them because they only reflect the past. They don't reflect the future. I'm just watching to see when the momentum slows down and I can pick up a 2% discount. Seeming to slow down now. It might continue, but I could add more to my position. This will not be my overall position. A stock like this, I would bring up to about 1% of my portfolio, something like that. So I'm only at 1/4% right now. So my allocation is available. We're over 2% now. Okay. I will buy another 10 shares there. There we go. I've lowered my average now to down 0.96. There we go. And I'll keep watching it. So I'll do a follow-up with this video later on perhaps, and we'll see how this stock goes. But there we go. So very interesting. We can see the general market is trying to push up. So there we go. Photronics. Join us live back here on the Day Trader, and we'll see how this stock ends up. Photronics, I think it's oversold. I think there's a potential here. Join us later here on the Day Trader. Take care of yourselves and each other.